So everyone is prepared now? Yes, sir. You have already done your practice and sir has given you the feedback. And working upon that feedback, you have to deliver your presentation. Okay. So who do we call first? Okay, so Divyansh is coming first. Everyone clap for him. Download file. Home. Download. No, you can search. Searching ID user. There you go. Mike and take sir's phone and make clips. What do you wonder? No army, no natural resource. Have in common? This was Singapore in 1965 and now it is very much developed. I will tell you after some time. So, good morning everyone. My name is Divya and today I am going to tell you about three success lessons we should learn from a country that I have given a big headline for Singapore. Small island, big lesson. Because it is kind of a small island, but it gives us a big lesson. So let us start. So in 1965, the Singapore GDP per person GDP is around $500. But now you can't imagine the development is that much that now per person GDP is around $90,000. So this was Singapore. So lead with long-term vision. As we can see that the Singapore did not uh, think that they will when election came they will do some work and then nothing they will do. Not like India. They 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 think for long term vision. They have done for so प्रॉपर तरीके से अभी स्टार्टिंग में अच्छी बस क्या लाइन है आपकी स्टार्टिंग व्हाट डू यू वांट क्या होता है पहले स्टार्ट करो फिर आप व्हाट डू यू वांट हैव यू एवर वंडर हैव यू एवर सब तुमने यही लिखा है हैव यू वंडर हैव यू एवर वंडर ऐसा लगे कि मुझे सीढ़ी है नॉट एट Nothing is visible.